Half-life? What the heck is half-life?
Half-life.
Half-alive banana?
Everything in the world is made of atoms. Bananas, cups, plants, stones.
M&M's atom?
Some atoms are unstable and can decay.
Wow, like this?
Well, more precisely, it turns into another atom. Something like this. Some types of unstable atoms are less stable than others, but we can't tell when one particular atom will decay. However, we can observe the progressive decay of a large number of atoms. The time it takes for half of the original atoms to decay is called half-life. Our M&M's atoms have a half-life of 1 hour. In the next half-life, another half of the remaining atoms decay.
And in the next half-life, another half!
Decay of atoms is a statistical process. We can easily measure the half-lives of various kinds of atoms because there are many atoms even in a small sample. For example, there are trillions and trillions of atoms in one banana.
Can I eat all those M&Ms?
Half-life is the time in which half of the unstable atoms in the sample decay.
If you want to know more, read the Energy Encyclopedia.